In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the folder pane in Outlook. If you want to customize the way your folders appear in Outlook, this is a quick setting that can make a big difference in how easy it is to navigate your mailbox. The folder pane is the area where you usually see your inbox, sent items, drafts, and any other folders you've created. Adjusting it can help you keep your workspace cleaner or make your folders easier to access, depending on your preference. To begin, open Outlook and make sure the program has fully loaded. Once you're in, go to the Mail section. This is important because the folder pane settings are typically adjusted from within the Mail view, where your email folders are displayed. After that, look toward the top of the Outlook window and click on View. The View tab contains layout and display options, so this is where you'll find the controls for changing how different parts of Outlook appear on your screen. In the View menu, click Folder Pane. This will open the available options for how the folder pane is shown. From here, you can choose the layout that works best for you. For example, you may see an option to show the folder list. This is useful if you want a more detailed view of all your folders, including nested folders and shared mailbox sections if they're available in your account. If you prefer a simpler look, you can also choose to hide the folder pane. Hiding it gives you more screen space for reading and managing emails, which can be helpful if you're working on a smaller monitor or just like a cleaner interface. You can also use the other available options in this same menu to change the folder pane based on your own preference. The exact wording or arrangement may vary slightly depending on your Outlook version, but the process is essentially the same. Go to View, select Folder Pane, and then choose the display style you want. As you switch between these settings, Outlook will update the view so you can immediately see the difference. That makes it easy to test each option and decide which one feels most comfortable for the way you work. And that's it. Once you know where this setting is, it becomes very easy to adjust the folder pane anytime you want. It's a small change, but it can make Outlook feel much more organized and easier to use.